Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Hyundai Elantra key fob. First, gather your new key fob and an OBD programming tool. These tools are often available online or from automotive stores. Also, confirm your vehicle's battery is fully charged to prevent interruptions during programming. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and successful setup for your new remote. Next, prepare your vehicle for programming. Find the OBD port, usually located beneath the driver's side dashboard. Make sure your car's ignition is completely off and all accessories, like the radio or lights, are turned off. It's crucial to have every key fob you want to use, including any existing ones, ready to be programmed at this stage. Now, let's program your key fobs. Insert the programming tool into the OBD port until it's securely connected. Turn your car's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. For each key fob, including any old ones, press and hold the lock button for about 2 seconds. The vehicle's hazard lights may flash to confirm successful programming. Finally, remove the programming tool from the OBD port. It's important to test every key fob you just programmed to ensure they all lock, unlock, and function correctly. If any fob isn't working, simply repeat the programming steps. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.